study abroad or scanning the best countries for your overseas education? You should look into some factors before finalizing the country where you want to study. You may want to look into options that have low tuition fee, no IELTS requirement and high visa success rate. If these factors influence your decision, then Germany, France, New Zealand and Canada are the strong contenders for your further studies. They are standout nation for higher education for Indian students as they offer a matchless combination of high quality education and favorable visa processing. And if you are looking for affordable tuition fee, then Germany just might be the best option for you.
Now let's look at the top countries for your study abroad in further detail.
Number 1. Germany. Did you know that Germany offers high quality programs at institutions like Technical University of Munich, Heidelberg University and University of Freiburg? It is one of the few countries that offer free education for all students regardless of their nationality. Many German public universities charge no tuition fee for undergraduate and most postgraduate programs. You'll only need to pay a small semester fee, which covers your administrative costs and transport. This makes Germany the top choice for students looking for quality education without high price tag. Many German universities face IELTS requirement, especially if the student have prior English medium education or can demonstrate proficiency through other means. Number 2. Canada. Canada is becoming one of the best countries to study abroad, especially for Indian students. Known for its welcoming environment, affordable tuition fee, high quality education and robust post-study work opportunities. Canada is the home to top universities like University of Toronto, McGill University and University of British Columbia. These institutions offer a variety of course or program in demand including engineering, healthcare and business. While IELTS is often required, many universities offer an alternative for students who have completed their education in English. The cost of living in Canada is relatively moderate compared to other popular study abroad destinations, and many universities provide scholarship for international students to further reduce expenses. Additionally, Canada's immigration policies and post-study work opportunities make it an attractive choice. Number 3. France. France is one of the best countries to study abroad, offering a wide range of English-style programs with a unique blend of affordable education and rich cultural experience. Top institutions like Sorbonne University, HEC Paris, École Polytechnique provide a course or program in demand including art, fashion, business and engineering. France also provides strong post-study work opportunities and often waive IELTS requirement if the students have prior English education. Number 4. New Zealand. New Zealand is a safe and a peaceful country with a positive attitude towards international students. It also offers a variety of affordable options for studying, especially with a specific scholarship provided for Indian students. University of Otago and University of Auckland are the few top universities in New Zealand, and the top courses are Business and Management, Engineering, Agriculture and Environmental Science. Number 5. Australia. Australia is a home to few top universities globally including University of Melbourne, University of Adelaide and Macquarie University. And do you know, instruction language in most Australian universities is English, promotes ease of learning. As popular study abroad destination, Australia single-handedly hosted 950,000 global students in 2024. And if you are looking for permanent residency, Australia makes easy pathway for the same for international students. Once you become the permanent resident of Australia, you can bring your dependent along, which include your family or spouse. This will allow your family to access different types of facilities like healthcare and education. These are the factors that make Australia preferred study abroad destination for many Indian students each year. So as you have reached till here, we hope this video helps you make a aware decision about the country you should choose for further studies. If you like this video, press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel.